I was cleaning my kitchen today and I found the bottle of ketchup, so I thought to use it in a better way. After cleaning it properly and removing its label, I'm gonna use it as a friendship day gift, or you can say I will convert this normal bottle into a very attractive and decorative bottle. First of all, to make it very nice, I'm gonna write one quote here about friends, of course, with acrylic gray color. So, guys, our quote is ready. Friends are like stars, they come and go, but true ones here. Now, I will decorate this part of bottle. So, guys, to cover this part, I am having some stars, some heart shape, and some butterfly shape paper. I will stick the stars and butterfly pieces of paper, of course, randomly to the bottle. It will look good and attractive. So guys, as I'm using this pieces of paper, you can also take that stars that available at market of direct sticker. So guys, now you can see I stuck all the stickers of heart shape, of star shape, and of butterfly shape. Now I will put some series of pendants. Guys, here is our final look with fairy lights. I think this is a perfect gift for your best friend.